I went to Goodwill yesterday and came back with a bunch of stuff. Lots of spots and lots of black and white. So what do you think I'm making out of this? Can you guess? I want to make a Cruella de Vil outfit for Halloween using this white shirt, this black shirt, and all this spotted stuff. And I want it to be fast and easy, and I don't want to think about it too much. I don't want it to be super like elaborate. I just want it to be a Cruella de Vil coat without actual Dalmatian fur. If you haven't noticed, I dyed my hair pink recently and it took me a while to get used to it. So I'm leaning into Estella, who's becoming Cruella. If you've ever seen the movie, you know Estella is Cruella before she becomes Cruella. And my red hair matches her red hair. So we're like Estella becoming Cruella. And we need to make an outfit fast and easy. So let's do this. I think the very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna combine these two shirts into one. You know what would be really great is if these two shirts were the exact same length and I didn't have to worry about that. That'd be amazing. Shocked at how well that worked out. These are pretty much the same length. All the buttons are spaced almost the same on the black and the white. This looks really good. Okay, I can't wait to keep going. I feel like I can already feel the transition within myself from Estella to Cruella. And I'm just gonna start giving this some shape. So I got the pleats sewed in, and to be honest, I think they just look like pleats. Now's the fun part, where I'm just gonna start experimenting with all the different prints that I have. Like this one. Call me a daredevil. I think I'm just gonna start cutting this in half. Loving this. Like, I am loving this. I can't even believe, like, just throwing this over like this makes such a difference. And I'm just gonna tie it in the front like that, so it kind of like bleeds into bleeds into the front. Like, wow. I am amazing myself. I love this up here. I think I just want a little more body down here, so I'm gonna cut up the rest of this skirt or this shirt and yeah, put some more down there and then sew this up. Here's what the back looks like so far. I love it when things come to life. Like, we are Halloween costuming, but make it fashion. Adjustments. I brought the skirt all the way around, but I think it looks great. I'm Cruella and I wreak havoc on galas. I make that my personal specialty. I think I have some working on Cruella to do, but I'm ready for Halloween. Thanks for following along.